though the kid just said he'd roll it over. If he left me, if Seymour left me, why then I'd be right back where I started, which was broken, starving. Close to bankrupt. He said befuddled and bereft. That's what I'd be if Seymour left. Seymour!
Sir?
Seymour! How would you like to be my son? How would you like to be my own adopted boy? I've never liked it much before. I'll be cash into the drawer. I've got no choice how much you for. Say yes!
What for?
Seymour, I want to be your dad. I want to have you climbing up my family tree. I used to think you left the stash, but now I see that you are meant. So I'm proposing be my son. Mushnick Sons. Sounds great. 3 words with the ring of fate. So say you'll incorporate with me. A forest dream come true. Mushnick and his boy chick you. What business would do for FTD? How about it, Seymour, my son? Just say the word, I'll get my lawyer on the phone.
Now, Mr. Mushnick, don't be rash. You always said that I was trash.
Oh, I was joking.
Sir, I'm joking.
Seems the physical expression of my pride, of the sweet paternal cushions I've held pent up inside. So?
Well,
you go ahead and say it, Seymour. Tell me that you will.
Gee, I'd really like to, but...
I'll hold my breath until...
Okay, you win, I'll be your son!
Hooray, I will be my son!
Draw up the papers that I'm touched, I really am. And when you turn age 83, I'll let you come and live with me.
You swear?
I promise!
What a son! Mushnick Sons! That's that.
Officially, I'm your brat.
Consider the man